Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Guys, today it's not a quick pasta. We are gonna need a couple of hours from start to end, but an amazing dish, baked pasta with eggplants. So we are going to grill the eggplants first, then we're going to prepare a nice real Italian tomato sauce, then some pasta, mix all together with the eggplants and bake in the oven for about half an hour. Baked pasta with eggplants. If you're really keen to make it extra next level, you can add a bit of prosciutto, a bit of ham, but today the version I'm gonna do is a vegetarian one. I'm just gonna add some mozzarella and provolone cheese to this baked pasta, and we are just gonna taste it because it's gonna be phenomenal. A few steps, a bit of time, take your time, relax, open a bottle of wine, drink some glass while we cook. Baked pasta with eggplants. Let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we have to take our eggplants and slice it in slices of about half centimeters, like this. And then we take these slices and we grill them on the pan. Now that we have grilled our eggplants, we are ready to start our tomato sauce. What do? Pour some extra virgin olive oil in a hot pan, some garlic and some parsley. I'm gonna just take the stems for now, leave it in there and let it warm it up. And now we add our polpa rustica tomatoes. Ah, fantastic. Let it cook for maybe 15-20 minutes, low heat. Put some salt as you like before we add the eggplants. The sauce has been cooking for about 15 minutes. So now what we do, we add some parsley to the mix, which we then remove. Before we use it, we are going to remove. Let it mix with all the taste. And then what do? We take our eggplant that we cooked before and we are going to cut them, slice them or chop them. We slice them in slices like so. That's it. And we add them to the tomato sauce. There we go. Nice. Another 5 minutes, 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we start the water to boil the water for the pasta. While this keeps cooking for another few minutes. The water for the pasta is boiling. We add just a bit of salt to the water. Then we add the pasta. Today I'm using elicoidali garofalo, this sort of pasta, but really any pasta small shape would work. And I'm using 400 grams. We leave it there. So this pasta, according to the box, is 12 minutes to complete cooking. So I'm gonna cook it for up to 8 minutes, 8-9 minutes, because then the pasta will keep cooking in the oven for another half an hour. Now, while the pasta is cooking, I open my sauce. I get rid of the garlic and the parsley because I don't want to see it. And the sauce is pretty much ready. We leave the pasta cook for another few minutes. As I said, 8 minutes in the cooking in my case. I'll take it off and start mixing it. Almost there. 8-9 minutes. The pasta is basically okay for what I want to do. Now I got this big metal bowl. I chuck everything in there and I mix it with the sauce. Sauce in here. Perfect. Now we mix the pasta with the sauce. In the meanwhile, I also turn the oven on 190 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, I don't know. You can visit my website italianfoodboss.com for the conversion. Look at this nice pasta, which is not entirely cooked yet, okay, because it's gonna cook in the oven now. Okay, so this is well mixed, and now we take a big tray for the oven and we start layering the pasta, and we're gonna mix it up with the mozzarella and provolone cheese, and on top a mix of parmesan and pecorino cheese grated. First layer. If you don't like the parsley, feel free to remove it. So we have the first layer. Now I have my provolone cheese and my mozzarella. I'm gonna just put a few pieces of provolone and a few slices of mozzarella. I have buffalo mozzarella today, but you can choose whatever you like. Nice, look at that. Mamma mia. Can't wait to try this thing. Now, second layer. Let's cover my provolone and my mozzarella. Nice. Use this. Let's do this. Come here, camera lady, follow me. That's it. Apriamo così. We're gonna add some more mozzarella, some more provolone. Okay, and now the final touch. On top of this beauty, sprinkle abundant, very abundant pecorino and parmesan cheese. fantastic, because this will form like the nice crust that we really want. This one goes now in the oven for half an hour. If you want to do a last run on the grill, on the broiler, as you guys from America say, you can. Just make sure that it doesn't get too burnt. Perfect. In the oven, 25 minutes, half an hour, and we are ready to eat. And after 25 minutes, I just removed the tray from the oven. Listen. Mamma mia. Now this crust over here, you see? Now guys, you know this is the favorite part of the recipe, but how can I do it? I'm going to burn myself if I do this. So that's it for today. That's what we do. This is the baked pasta with eggplant, mozzarella, pecorino and provolone cheese. Enjoy. I was joking. Of course I'm gonna try. That's how it's done in Italia. Baked pasta with eggplant, buffalo mozzarella, pecorino cheese. Fantastic. Took a while, few steps, but let me try now. Mama, look at the crusty part. What? My gosh. Wow. Wow. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. That's how it's done in Italia. Enjoy your meal. Ciao.